Hello everyone, good morning all. Very refreshed, a new week we are going to start today. So let's begin with our classes by not wasting any time. So today is Monday. As I told you, a new refreshed week we are going to start. So today is Monday and the date is 28th September. So you all have received your results. I have shared all the results, all your exam reports with you, and you all have really done pretty well. But not in the end, you have to keep on working for upcoming classes also. Clear? So let's begin with our today's English class. So class, in the previous week we have done use of this and use of that. हम लोगों ने this and that finish किया अपना. So where we use this is used with the objects that are near to us, and that the one which is far. जो far off objects हैं, जो हमसे दूर हैं, we are using that for them, and the things which are near to us, जो हमारे पास है, we use this. Clear? So this is how you have learned to frame small sentences. I hope you all are practicing that. How you are framing small sentences. This is my bag, that is my bottle. So try to converse in these sentences. Like this, you are going to develop your vocabulary also. Okay. So now moving to the next sound. See which all sounds we have done. A sound, E sound and I sound. So the three sounds are done. Now how many are left? Two more. Which are they? O and U. Now A, E, I, O, U. What are these five? What are these five? Remember the very beginning I have told you. These are the five vowels. Now what are vowels? There are five vowel sounds. So these are those five vowels. और ये कहाँ से मिले हैं हमें? From the alphabetical series. A to Z जो हमारी alphabetical series है, उसमें ये five alphabets जो हैं, we count them as vowels, and the rest of 21 are consonants. Yes. So please keep revising what you have done earlier also. Clear? So now class, today we are going to begin with O sound words. So can you see this? O and B. So now I'll start here. I have written O there and I have written B. So you all know these two alphabets, O and B. So then together when we are saying them, जब हम इन दोनों को mix करके बोलते हैं, so what is the sound of alphabet O? Orange in the plate says O, O, O. You remember your phonic rhyme? So this is O. And bat and ball says B, B, B. So what it makes? O, B, O. Clear? When we are mixing, when we are blending the sound of alphabet O with alphabet B, the sound that comes is O. Now you have to say with me, O, B, O. Clear? Again I am telling O, B, O. इसका साउंड O होता है O और इसका साउंड होता है B. So please, when you are repeating with me during the class, आप बहुत अच्छे से उसको लर्न कर पाते हैं, रिवाइज कर पाते हैं. So class, please say with me, O, B, O. Clear? So the sound that we are going to do today is ob sound. O, B, ob sound. Okay? So I have drawn pictures on board, and some other words which I am going to discuss with ob sound will tell later. First, can you tell what picture is this? Something that we like to eat during rainy season. Remember, हम लोगों ने rainy season की एक PPT की थी, and last conversation class also we have learnt about seasons. There I told you that corn cob, bhutta. You remember that? Bhutta. So what are these? What we call that? Cob. I told you corn cob. Corn होते हैं जो इसके अंदर लगे होते हैं मक्के के दाने. And cob, what we call it? Cob. K, ob, cob. Now, ob sound we all are aware of. Can anyone tell me what is the sound K when we are saying cob? So which sound or which alphabet to be written here? We are going to write alphabet C. K, C. Cat. You remember? Clamor, pussy, cat says K, K, K. And we are saying K. Again, K sound is coming. K, O, K. So what we are going to write here? K, O, K. K, O, K. Now, one thing which you have to remember here is the formation. Many of you get confused when you are writing O, B, L together. So please be very particular while making the formation of alphabet B. It is done like this. Clear? L की तरह आपको आप बनाना है, but there will be a loop here. This is how you are going to do the formation of alphabet B. Because op sound है, everywhere you have to write B, op, b, op. So B will be in every word. Please be very careful while making this formation. Clear? Okay. So one is cob. Cob means bhutta. Clear? Next is, see what sort of a face is this? Is it a smiley face? No. Is it a sad face? No. So what the child is doing? The child is crying and we call it sob. What जब आप जोर जोर से चिल्ला के बोलते हो, what we call that? Sob. Sob. So what we are going to write here? So. Can you tell me the sound sob. So how we are going to do that? Sob. Clear? Sob. So the sound that we are doing is O, and the first family is ob sound. O sound की first family word है ob. So we are doing that. Now moving to the next. When you go out in the market, जब आप market जाते हो, कोई fair लगा होता है या कहीं आप shopping के लिए जाते हो, for example if you go to a shopping mall or you go to a fair, वहाँ बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, बहुत crowded होता है वहाँ पे. So what do you call that? What do you call that? We call it mob. Mob means बहुत भीड़ होना, बहुत crowded area होना, उसको हम कहते हैं mob. So let's write that word now. Mob. Now many of you get confused. I have seen in your papers you are getting confused in the formation of M and N. Why? You all have done it many times. So be very careful while writing mob, knob. Okay? So one word that we have learned is mob. So what is mob? Mob is भीड़ होना, crowded होना, जहाँ बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, बहुत crowded होता है. And very often we see it either in the fair, जब कहीं मेला लगा होता है, or if you are going to some shopping for shopping like malls. So you will find a lot of people are there. तो जो भी जगह जहाँ भीड़ होती है, उस भीड़ को हम कहते हैं mob. Mob. Clear? So one which we have learned is cob or cob. What is the meaning of cob? Corn cob, यानी कि भुट्टा. Then we have done sob. What is sob? When you are shouting and you are crying. Then we have done mob. Mob is भीड़ होना. Clear? Now moving to the next we have is rob. So what is rob? Rob means जब कहीं पे कोई चोरी हो जाए. कोई who is a चोर? Thief. Thief को हम चोर कहते हैं ना. So what they do? It is they come to your home when you all are sleeping and they don't tell you and they take away your things. आपको बिना बताए वो आपका सामान ले जाते हैं, वो घर में चोरी करते हैं. So we call that rob. Rob. Not only at home, in the market also you must have seen or must have heard that कि आप market में कहीं जा रहे हो and somebody has done a pickpocket. उन्होंने आपकी pocket से आपको बिना बताए पर्स, मोबाइल, they have टेकन अवे, और आपको पता भी नहीं चला. So that is called rob, means चोरी करना. Clear? That is rob. What do you call that? rob. So things जब किसी का हम बिना पूछे किसी से ले लेते हैं and we keep it in our bag. That is rob. Clear? Next is job. So the next word we are going to do is job. So every morning पापा job पे जाते हैं. If your mama is also working, she also goes for job. So what is this job? Job means कोई काम करना. That some work is assigned to you. आपको कोई काम दिया है and you are doing that work. So that is called job. Clear? What is job? If you are given some work and you are doing it, you are completing the work. अब देखिए मामा पापा को ऑफिस से काम मिलता है ना, and they finish that work. So that is their job. Clear? That is their job. काम करना. To finish off some work. As you are doing your job, you are doing your work. You are studying. That is your job. Clear everyone? Okay. So words are cob means bhutta. Rob. What is the meaning of rob? चोरी करना, to do something. Then serve, shouting and crying like anything. Mob means बहुत सारी भीड़, when lot of people are there and it is very crowdy. Then job. So what is job? When you are given some work and you are doing it. Clear? Now the next word is we have fob. So the next word is fob. What is fob? To cheat someone. आप किसी को cheat कर रहे हो, उसको धोखा दे रहे हो, और you can say कि you have promised कि I will do this for you, but you are not doing it. That is cheating. आप किसी को cheat कर रहे हो, that is fob. Clear? ठगना किसी को, आपने उसको promise करा है कि okay fine, things will go normal, I'll help you out, but when actually जब आपको help करनी थी, you just run away. That is to cheat someone. Fob is to cheat. Fob, and that is to cheat. किसी को ठगना, उसको परेशान. Clear? Now one more picture is left here with us. Can you tell me what is this? So we all are having doors at home. हम सबके घर पे door होते हैं and we have handles to open. But कुछ handles straight होते हैं, कुछ circle में ऐसे घूमते हैं. So that is called knob. Like for example, if you can just see at your home, you will find some drawers. Drawers होती हैं, उनको बाहर निकालने के लिए to pull them out there is something circle. वो इस तरह का एक circle होता है जिसको you will hold it and you pull it out. That is called knob. Now when you are writing knob, sound हमें N से start हो रही है, but the word will begin with K because K is silent here. So we'll write knob. Knob is ये वाला जो गोल part होता है, which we are using to open the door, to close the door. Clear? ये circle होता है, उसको हम कहते हैं knob. So not only in the doors, you will find it in cupboards. You can find them in your drawers. So we call it knob. What we call it? Knob. Sound न से begin हो रही है, that means N से होगा. But we write this word from K. K is silent here. Is that clear? जो K की sound है वो silent है. But when you are writing this word knob, you have to begin it with alphabet K. Clear class? Okay. Now moving to a quick recap of our today's class. Today we have done all sound words. So which sound we have done? We have begun with O sound and today we have done the first family, that is ob sound words. Clear? Ob sound finish करी है हमने. We are doing the words are knob. Knob is the door handle, that is called knob. Knob, ob, knob. Clear everyone? Next we have is saw, ob, saw. What is saw? When you are crying and you are shouting together, that is called saw. Saw, ob, saw. Next we have is ma, ob, mob. So what is mob? Mob is crowded area. What is mob? Mob is a crowded area. Next we have is job, ob, job. What is job? When you are doing some work, जब आपको कोई work दिया है and you are doing it. Cob, ob, cob. Cob is भुट्टा. Rob, ob, rob. So what is rob? When you are doing some robbery, जब कोई robbery हो जाती है, not you are doing, the bad people they come and they do that robbery. Clear? That is called rob. Fob, ob, fob. Fob means to cheat someone, किसी को परेशान करना, उसको धोखा देना. That is called fob. Clear everyone? Okay. Now moving towards our today's book work. So work to be done on book page number 48. Book page number 48. So this is your today's class work. Understood class? The book work is your today's class work and the notebook work, or you can say your homework, is what I am going to show you now. Okay? So class, now we are going to do our work in notebook. Clear? So let me tell you how we are going to do that. The first thing is that you have to write today's date. So today is 28 September 2020. This is our today's date, and what the topic which we have done is ob sound word. So like this you are going to write ob sound words. Clear? Like this we'll write ob sound words. Now this is your homework, so don't forget to mention HW like this. Clear everyone? So now let's see the words which we are going to write. That is K, ob, cob, K, ob, cob, M, ob, mob. Then we did J, ob, job, S, ob, sob, F, ob, fob, R, ob, rob. Then what else we did? K, ob, cob, M, ob, mob, J, ob, job, S, ob, sob, F, ob, fob, R, ob, rob, and last we did knob. That is K is silent and knob. Clear? How you are going to write your work in notebook today? So this is how you are going to do your work. Ob sound words, today's date, and then cob, mob, job, sob, fob, rob, knob. So one time I have shown you, you are going to write for another 2 more times. Is that clear, class? So class, I hope you have understood our today's English work, a new sound, a new learning. So isn't it really interesting for all? Okay, so such interesting classes will keep coming to you. You just have to do your work, share your work and keep revising. Clear? So what you have to do, don't forget to revise the sounds that we have already completed. अब एग्जाम हो गया है, क्यों पढ़ना है? No, not at all, because those revisions will help you in your reading part. And soon we are going to start reading big sentences. So you will be needing the revision. You will be needing that you should have an Excel of those sounds ताकि आप उनको अच्छे से पढ़ पाएं. Clear? So soon we are going to begin with the reading part also, and I'll make you read beautiful stories. Okay? So hope to meet you soon in the next class with a new sound of O family. Bye. Take care.